In today's video, I'm going to teach you exporting data on ClickUp. Easy walkthrough. By the end, you'll know exactly how to safely download your information for backups, sharing, or record keeping without missing a thing. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and logging in as you normally would. I recommend beginning from the Home or Overview area. So navigation is straightforward, especially if you use multiple spaces. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. It could be your photo, initials, or a custom avatar. Click that icon to open the drop-down, then move your cursor over the Settings option and select Settings to open your account and workspace controls. On the Settings page, focus on the left-hand menu. Scroll until you see Imports, Shortcut, Exports. It can take a second to appear, and sometimes the page needs a moment to load, so don't worry if there's a brief delay. Click Imports, Exports, and if you land on the Import view by default, switch to the Export section instead. This is where you'll create a package of your workspace data. Next, click Select Location. Here you'll choose exactly what you want to export, typically a specific space. If you work across personal and team areas, take a moment to double-check you're selecting the correct location before proceeding. It's much easier to verify now than to repeat the export later. With the right space selected, click Start Export. The export process may take a bit of time, depending on how many tasks, lists, and attachments you have. Think of it like packing a suitcase. ClickUp is gathering everything neatly, so you can download it in one go. While it processes, keep the tab open and let it run. When the export is finished, you'll see a confirmation message indicating your export is ready, along with a Download Export option. Click Download Export. Your computer will prompt you to choose where to save the file. Pick a folder you'll remember, your desktop for quick access, or a dedicated backups folder if you're keeping things organized. Confirm to save, and you're done. You've successfully exported your ClickUp data. This is great for routine backups, audits, or preparing for a team migration. If you don't see the export option, you may need the appropriate workspace permissions, so check with your admin if necessary. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions or tips you discovered in the comments. I read them, and I'm happy to help. And for more clear, step-by-step guides to your favorite productivity tools, don't forget to subscribe.